In this video, we're going to be checking out the SereneLife portable air conditioner. Now they do offer a variety of different portable air conditioners that are very similar to this one, but this particular model is the SL-PAC10 and it does feature 10,000 BTU. Now the portability aspect of this air conditioner certainly is a big benefit, but you can also use this as a dehumidifier, or if you want to, you can just run the fan. As far as the packaging goes, everything is really nice and neat and secure. You get everything needed to get started included in the box, which is great. And included in the box is a user manual. There's a remote that comes with 2 AAA batteries. There's a small tube that you can connect to the back of the unit in order to use the dehumidifier feature. We have the window adapter that can be used either vertically or horizontally. I like that it features a slide out mechanism that you can lock as well so that you can get a secure fit in the window. Then we have the air inlet, which is very important. You must connect this to your window so that the hot air is able to exit the room, which allows the air conditioner to actually work. Now thankfully, it is made out of high quality materials, and it's also very easy to adjust so that it is the ideal length and takes up as little space as possible. I like that you can wrap the power cable around 2 hooks on the back of the unit so that you're able to neatly stow away the unit when not in use. Now I'm not an electrician, but it looks like they have some sort of breaker on the plug, which is definitely nice for added safety. I really like how simple and straightforward the remote is. There's 3 fan modes, which are high, mid, and low. The swing button makes the vents move back and forth while the unit is running, which I'll show you in a second. You can also toggle the temperature up or down. There's a timer option. You can also set it between cool, dry, which is the dehumidifier, or just the fan. You can also switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. And then finally, there is the power button. Now on the back of the unit, we have the area where the air inlet connects. We also have the 2 hooks for where you wrap around the power cable. Then there's the vent, which you can remove to access the air filter. Now in the user manual, they go over everything that there is to know in regards to keeping the air filter clean and maintained. And then finally, on the back of the unit, we have the dehumidification drainage nozzle, which then you can easily connect the tube to, and then you will need to have that drain into either an actual drain or some sort of bucket. Now it definitely is cool that there is a built-in dehumidifier. Now unfortunately I couldn't test that because where I live it's already very dry. Installation was a smooth process. I like that the window adapter is compatible with both windows that open horizontally and vertically like mine. Now there are 2 things that you will want to keep in mind. The first thing is that it's not a perfect seal. Now that is understandable since all windows are designed differently. And then the second thing I wanted to point out is that due to the design of my windows at least, I cannot lock the window with the air conditioner installed. However, I might consider getting some sort of security bar that will keep someone from outside from opening the window. Another awesome thing too is that this air conditioner actually has wheels on the bottom so that you can easily move it around, especially on a hard surface. Now as far as noise goes, and I know this is something that is very important to many people, it's definitely not quiet. But on the other hand, I would say that the noise that it does create is about on par with a PTAC unit that you would find in a hotel room. Here's how it sounds when it's on low. And then here's how it sounds when it's on high. And then as mentioned earlier on in the video, when you do press the swing button, the vents automatically go up and down, giving you a bit more variety of airflow. And then every button that does come included on the remote does have a corresponding button on the unit itself that you can use instead if you want to. But this is the SereneLife portable air conditioner.